I accidentally joined a dog birthday party, and I didn't realize it until it was way too late. I was walking through the park, drinking my iced coffee, and I saw this group of people gathered around a picnic table with balloons and party hats, music playing, snacks laid out, and a sign that said Happy Birthday Max. So I think, oh cool, probably a kid's birthday, and I just kind of drift over because they had cupcakes. One lady hands me a party hat without a word. I put it on. I'm just vibing, eating chips, petting this fluffy golden retriever that everyone seems obsessed with, and I'm thinking, wow, this family really loves their dog. Then someone starts singing Happy Birthday and they all gather around a cake shaped like a bone, and I finally realize it's the dog's birthday. I look down and I'm wearing a hat that says Max's Party. I'm holding a plate of little bone-shaped cookies, and Max is literally wearing a tuxedo. I panicked, said Happy Birthday sir to the dog, and just slowly backed away with my cupcake like nothing happened.